This is the Sunroy Zhenghe 4QZ-3000 self-propelled silage harvester, equipped with a Weichai 360 horsepower engine. It features a 3-meter wide header, allowing for non-row harvesting of corn, sorghum, hay, and other forage crops. It has a built-in grain crushing mechanism, achieving a crushing rate of over 97%. It can thoroughly crush corn kernels. Harvesting, chopping, and loading are completed in one operation, resulting in finely ground feed that is easily digestible for cattle and sheep. It uses a simple-to-operate hydraulic transmission system, ensuring stable operation in various types of fields. Choosing this equipment can significantly improve harvesting efficiency,